Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. And this week I am being inspired by a Norwegian ice cream called Lollipop. It's not the sucker that everybody else in the world grew up with. It is a Norwegian ice cream, and I will try to remember to put a picture up here. So it has the yellow, the orange, and the brown chocolate on it, and they do have a version that is in a box, so it's without the stick, so it's also without the chocolate. But I wanted to add the chocolate because that is the original and I wanted to honor that one. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, I want to start with the lips, so I'm going in with the Kiko Milano, the creamy color comfort lip liner in the shade 303, and it looks like this. And then I will go in with the Kiko Milano's Glossy Dream Sheer Lipstick in 214, which I don't have a lot left, but it's hot pink. Then I want to go ahead and just go straight into the eyeshadow, and I'll be using one eyeshadow palette. It's the Makeup Revolution Mother of Dragons, and I'll be using 3 different colors. So I will go in first with Bravery, which is this one right here. And with this one, I want to put this in the crease and on the lower lash line. So I will use a fluffy brush for that and a flat brush for the lower lash line. And then using my finger, I want to go in with the next color, and I will put this in the outer corner of my eyelid, and that is the Rebellious, this one. Using my fingers, it naturally blends the colors together, so I don't have to go in with the brush later to do that. So the next color I will go in with, and this is to be put in the inner corner of the eye, and that is Persistence, which is this one right here. Then I want to go ahead and put some eyeliner on, and I'm using Dipliner Ink by H&M that looks like this. And I think I want to do like a halfway line. And I do have an eyeliner tutorial that I will try to put up here and link it. So if you want to know how, you can click on that. Then I want to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. And I'm using the Colossal mascara that looks like this from Maybelline, and I'm only going to apply this on my upper lashes. And then I'm just taking a eyeliner pencil. This one doesn't exactly have a brand name, but it looks like this. And I just want that in the outer corner of my upper water lash. And then I would take a Base Fix by Makeup Revolution and set my face. And here you have it, a Lollipop inspired makeup look. If you hear any noise in the background, by the way, it's farm life happening, so I apologize, but we both have a job to do and a hobby to do, so it's just the way it is. But yes, this is a Lollipop inspired makeup look, and I think it's very much for those of you who love fall but want to have a reason to wear fall in summertime, because Lollipop is a summer ice cream, but these color combinations with the yellow, the orange, the brown chocolate, it's giving fall vibes. And I kind of thought about it when I looked at the colors, but I was like, it is summer ice cream, we can get away with it, it is okay. So this is perfect for you guys who love fall and want a reason to wear fall in summertime. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!